Alright, well, I was just going to make a simple review, but then I was thinking about it, I was explaining too many things with words, so I figured I might as well just show something. Anyway, like I said, love this thing, gave it 5 stars, because like my cat's destroyed everything else, and they can't ruin this thing, and it keeps working, even though Mystical tries so much. My kid's name for the cat, not mine. Anyway, so yeah, sorry I didn't really clean any of this at all, so it might be a little bit weird or junky, because I just kind of, I was like, oh shoot, just go ahead and do the video. Anyway, here's the pump, and there was a structural problem with this. Again, I'm not going to lower any stars because I think it works just so great, but there was a structural problem where the suction cups didn't keep the lid down because it didn't reach the bottom. It would go in there, it was just shy of it. So, I just wanted to show you this. I carved off this little bit of plastic right here. See that little indent right there? Yeah, I just went ahead and carved that off both sides. So that it's only about 1/8 of an inch. I just did it real quick. It's some pretty soft plastic. Don't cut yourself trying, but I cut it off, and now, yeah, so that basically these little grips right here, you know, it allows it to go down just a little bit further, so it can actually hold in place. Now, naturally, because this kind of floats around like this, you can't just put it down like this and have it stick. So the way you do it, you have this like this. You put the little nesting on there. There's the where it sucks in the water. So you want that pointing inward. There you go. See? You just straight down. You can feel it. It's nice and you can pick up the whole thing. Suction cups work great. Anyway, that's there, wire going up against the wall, and then you just take the lid, and sometimes you look I usually look through this. I don't have any water in here to start, and I just look through this little window with so that I can line this up, but I'm going to try to just eyeball it, and it's honestly not that hard. Oh, I heard the click. There we go, see? And it's good, so it's really easy. It really, once you just carve that little bit of plastic off, it pops on, and then the cats can sit there. I mean, this is right now like, whatever, like 20 pounds of water, and that's not coming off. The cats can't pull it off. They can't break it. And just to show that it indeed is a nice working thing, might as well. Sorry, I'm old. Bam. There it goes. Working like a charm. Cats love it. And that little, I'm going to turn off this flashlight. That little light there is so handy just for eyeballing how much water's in there. Super handy. Excellent product, guys. 5 stars. Love it. It's lasted me now like 7 months, and I have a feeling it's going to go for years. Thank you.
FOFNON water pump for cats. It's very nice, very cute equipment. You know, it has a indicator here. The light's turning on, so we can see how much water is inside, how much water is running through. And its filter is very easy to. Here's a filter space, so if we turn it out other side, so we can see it's very easy to replace the filter. Here's a 5-volt power supply here, and it's a kind of a very energy saving pump. It doesn't spill, you know, water stays inside this one. So I like this thing because mostly in other water pumps, they don't have a broad space, broad neck, so the water, whenever cat drinks water, she can spread water, but here they have enough space so it doesn't spill outside. That's the one good quality. And I also like the stainless steel, so it's very easy clean. I just bought it a few days ago, cleaned a couple of times, but it was so easy. And it has a very wide neck, and you can just put directly under the water tape, and put the water. So it has a inside, it has a minimum and maximum uh, you know sign where how much water we can put at minimum as well as maximum. So I think it's a, I had so many pumps before from last 10 years, but this is the one of the best. I just like this one, and we have a same company. I bought the second one too, that's also the same kind of thing. So both, I like both of them. Thank you.
Just a super quick video. Please excuse the paint on the drawer in the background, but my cat really loves this and she's super picky. But as you can hear, the fountain is extremely quiet. So, really, really love that. I'll show in the photos that you can actually see the water level in the front, which is very helpful, just to make sure there's enough water in it. But yeah, this company is fantastic. I've certainly got quite a few fountains, water fountains from them, and honestly it just seems like they keep getting better and better. So on this one, I actually like the amount of the water that comes out of the fountain. Yeah, it's just really, really nice. So and if you've gotten any other fountains from some of the, if you've gotten any other fountains, you'll notice that the filter for this one is a slightly different shape. Some of the other fountains are interchangeable, so that's certainly one thing to keep in mind. That definitely doesn't take away from the performance of the filter or anything, or the fountain. I'm sorry, can't get my words right, but yeah, I really, really love this. I'll certainly be buying more fountains. They really do just keep getting better and better. My cat is extremely picky, so very, very glad I got this one.
This is our new water fountain for kitty cats by FOFNON. Our kitty cats think that they're drinking from the faucet. Sometimes they drink from the bottom like this one is, because he just came in from outside. It has this cool fountain, lights up in the front, and it also has a gauge there to tell you how high to go with the water. Really easy to use, easy to put together. I like it. I like it so much better than the one we had before. Easy to clean, easy to use. I recommend.
super cool. They love this little fountain. And I love the little blue light where you can see the line where the water is, and it actually gives them like a little night light. So cute. Pappy, isn't it cute?
I received this on March the 30th, and today is May the 1st, so 31 days, and it is no longer working. The pump does not operate any longer.